Welcome to Comic Construction. Let's check out the build, art, and story of Johnny Red the Hurricane, written by Garth Ennis, illustrated by Keith Burns, with colors by Jason Wordy, and lettering by Rob Steen, published by Rebellion. This is an oversized hardcover at 7 3/8 by 11 3/16 inches and has 208 pages. The cover has 4-color printing, and there is like a dull coating on the cover, probably to protect the artwork. The book has sewn binding with no head ribbon, and the book has a flat spine. The interior sheet is a somewhat thin semi-gloss, similar to the paper used in recent Marvel omnibus books. I compared it to the Nom specifically. Keith Burns' art is really amazing in this book. I do prefer it to his art in Out of the Blue, especially the character art. While the humans in Out of the Blue are very smooth and cartoony, the figures in Johnny Red are very textured and sketchy, reminding me a bit of Paul Pope with a little bit of Sean Murphy mixed in. The planes are also a little less realistic in this book, and but no less kinetic. Like, I really enjoyed the art. Like, the planes are a little less, I would say, picture perfect. They look a little more hand drawn, but there's a lot of charm to that, and there's so much just kinetic energy throughout. This is some really outstanding work. I mean, look at that double page spread. That's that's super cinematic and just beautiful. This is the best Garth Ennis story I've ever read, full stop. In the present, a man named Tony Iverson has purchased a trashed Hawker Hurricane plane and is paying to have it fully restored by a specialty shop run by Paul Finley. Part of the service is researching the history of the plane for the owner, and that leads Iverson to travel with Ludmilla to Russia to meet with a mechanic named Rodomitz and learn the story of Johnny Redburn, a Brit from Liverpool, his girlfriend Nina Petrova, who's the leader of the Night Witches, and all of the pilots in his squadron, the Falcons, the Soviet unit that followed Johnny Red. It's a tense and interesting World War II story that grapples with the war, its toll on the Soviet people, the danger of fragile strongmen like Stalin and Hitler, and the price of bureaucracy. All of the characters, whether protagonist or antagonist, are compelling, and there's a great ending to the story that ruminates on how most World War II veterans lived after saving humanity from Nazi domination. Johnny Red the Hurricane is honestly the best war story I've read thus far in my life, which is saying a lot. There's a lot of really good war stories out there, but this one is just stands head and shoulders above the rest. So will it stay or will it go? This one is definitely a keeper. It hits on all cylinders and is both enjoyable and thought-provoking. Like, even now, like, here we are, this story takes place in like 41, 42, and here we are in 2026, and some of these themes like fragile strongmen are more present in our lives than they ever have been. So this is just an outstanding work. Thanks for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share with a friend.